Now from long ago, still need to just do this really gently, going between those two chords, and then further down the page you go to the F sharp chord and back again. I can see it 3 times in the music that it happens, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, so you need to watch the melody notes, because I think you went slightly wrong in the second bar. You've got a space, space, space note, which skips notes in between. All right, so there's no step notes there. And bar 7. So make sure you play the A again, then wait before you play the left hand. Then we've got this extra left hand chord there, and bar 13 to 14 is the same. Now here's where the left hand moves and moves. Extra A, wait bar 19 before you play the left hand. And we want these little breaks in between. Then after this F sharp and D chord, I play the A again in the right hand, wait for 2 counts, then finish with the left hand chord, 2 more counts, and then I've finished. Okay, so let's just have a look at this little section here. So I had some alternative fingering, but I've changed it to what you're doing. So we need to do these breaks here. All right, they're again a feature of the music. You've got those slurs again. Now this particularly, I wouldn't make them staccato. I would lift them very gently, but the music is slow anyway, so you don't need to make it such short staccato. And on the last line, we've got breaks here. Okay, so if I take from bar 13 in my left hand, got these familiar chords, then bar 15, bar 16, break, go to the G and the F chord. Now you've got to lift the thumb, but you can join the 5 at the bottom here to the 3 in the middle C chord. So just watch those 2 chords again. So lift the thumb, but join the bottom 2 fingers there. Okay, so the only little break I can hear is between the thumb notes there. Okay, then the last 2 chords, you've got your fingers hopefully already there on G and D, which slur up to the A and the E. You can join both notes in both chords there. Okay, so let's go back to bar 13 again in the left hand, start with a rest, then a rest. So lift, join, lift. Okay, so if I put that with the right hand, you've got to be very careful, because the right hand is much more legato than the left hand in these places, so they are doing some opposite actions, so be careful. So from bar 13, slower. So lift the left hand, join, lift the left hand. We've got the A. Now onto the last line. Take the fingers back again, 2 and 5 in the left hand. And I want these little breaks. Then play the A again. Wait for 2 beats. Left hand chord, 2 beats plus another 2, and finish. Okay, I'm not suggesting you do that with your hands, but I'm just showing you the counting in that way. Something I was going to say. So these A's, these sort of A's here, have got these little signs over the top, these wedgy signs. That's quite a strong accent, which is strange because the dynamic is quiet. And you think, well, a strong accent sort of seems a bit out of place. But I would say it's a bit like a little bell, sort of bell in the distance. I don't know, a church bell ringing or something. Just using a bit of imagination. Okay, so make the note, the extra A, just sort of ring out a little bit so that it also holds and sustains over all the ties that are attached to it. So getting these little breaks. Okay, if I play that, I'm not sure I can play it without breaks actually, but if I play it without the breaks, it's all right, but if I put those breaks in, okay, it automatically made me emphasize some of these places, which I think added to the music. So there's always reasons behind everything, and in music there is as well, between the behind all these funny little sort of rules and things. So try and put those breaks in really in your left hand. Okay.